Hello guys, how are you? So we will continue our questions. Now we will start with one little bit tough, but if we will read it, it will be easy. Okay, so we will start now. The nurse is caring for a 65-year-old male client with a history of ischemic heart disease who has been admitted to the ICU following a myocardial infarction. This question is related to cardiac system. The client is currently receiving lidocaine. So underline lidocaine IV to manage his ventricular ectopy. We have condition here, which has been persistent. Which of the following factors would be most important for the nurse to consider in relation to the administration of this medication? So medication is lidocaine. We have 6 options here. A. Decrease in arterial oxygen saturation when measured with the pulse oximeter. B. Increase in systemic blood pressure. C. Presence of premature ventricular contractions on a cardiac monitor. D. Increase in intracranial pressure. E. A drop in serum potassium levels as indicated in the latest lab results. F. Observation of a widening QRS complex on ECG. So just pause the video, underline the answer, and we have answer here. So C is the correct answer, but presence of premature ventricular contractions on a cardiac monitor. So we have small description for this answer. In the context of acute myocardial infarction, the priority is to manage life-threatening arrhythmias. Lidocaine is specifically indicated for the treatment of ventricular arrhythmias, such as PVCs, which can be indicative of an increased risk for more serious arrhythmias like ventricular tachycardia or ventricular fibrillation. The presence of PVCs on a cardiac monitor would be the most immediate concern that lidocaine can address in this scenario. While the other factors listed are important to monitor, they are not primary indications for lidocaine administration in the context of arrhythmias management. Basically, this is just we have to focus, and there is a trick in the question already that we are managing a patient with myocardial infarction, we are giving lidocaine IV, and there is something indication like ventricular ectopy. So this is even in the answer there is presence of premature ventricular contractions. So see the relation between the question and answer is really similar.